How gamification can contribute to customer experience. People have been playing games for thousands of years. Since childhood, we've gained positive psychology through games which boost our intrinsic motivation, address our deep psychological desire for autonomy, competence, and relatedness. Games can lead to surprising cognitive, emotional, and social outcomes. Gamification is the application of gaming mechanics and gaming metaphors to non-gaming scenarios, as a process of enhancing a service with affordances for gameful experiences, in order to support the user's overall value creation. Gamification can add a social element to your customer experience, making it fun and even addictive. During my experience working in the field of serious games, I've seen how many multinational corporations are utilising both interactive video game-based learning for training soft skills, but also using gamified tools for developing technical skills. Despite the potential of gamification, companies should be aware simply applying game-based mechanics like points, stars and badges will not work magic to increase customer engagement. In fact, badly planned gamification can seriously damage your customer experience. The mistake many companies make is focusing on one single consumer touchpoint. However, to be successful, we must think more strategically. Touchpoints can be gamified to enhance the entire customer journey, and the good news is that almost any key customer touchpoint can make use of gamification. In a range of business activities, gamification has increasingly been harnessed as a means of motivating people and to aid achievement of business objectives. How can the emotional mechanics of gamification facilitate and strengthen companies' transformation into advanced service providers? Games are designed to provide the player with a goal and direct them through the steps to reach it. This kind of clarity of journey can break down a process for customers, making the experience more convenient and enjoyable. Through gamification, we can create social communities to maximise engagement with our consumers. Players can track and share their progress, invite others to compete against their high scores, and see how they stack up against their friends. Everything within the communities of Nike and Fitbit are created to improve the experience of the customer. The social aspects humanise the brand, while the gamification elements encourage customers to interact with the community repetitively. BBVA is an example of a financial company making customer touchpoints fun. They launched a gamification strategy to familiarise clients with online banking, and this was in an effort to lighten traffic in their branches. Users accept challenges and perform actions on the bank's website, earning points and prizes. Consulting giant Deloitte have applied game elements to design the Who, What, Where messaging system, which is a leaderboard tracking consultants' communications with clients, with the leaders gaining recognition and reward through a corporate-sponsored virtual currency. Consequently, creating an efficient knowledge-sharing platform across the organisation. Heineken launched Star Player. The audience played by guessing what would happen during the match, earning points and being part of a league system. Heineken's presence on social networks increased by 78% as a result of the initiative, which highlighted the great success of implementing gamified actions for fidelity. Gamification using interactive game design with 3D graphics, virtual avatars, clear goals and feedback mechanisms into business processes can help supply chain partners learn how systems work. IBM developed the Innovate game to shape understanding about processes and resources requirements in business operations. So this game adopts immersive virtual design to simulate real or fantasy business process issues, such as customer services, traffic flow and supply chains, where players can explore different business process functions and the relationships between these processes. A motivated worker is much less likely to think negatively about their work. A gamified tool called Snowfly focuses on encouraging workers with gamified elements that stimulated their engagement positively, which affects the productivity of the entire organisation. Mastery is a powerful component of the customer journey because people love to discover and achieve something new and try to beat the system. Air Canada's Earn Your Wings programme has a series of challenges to guide user behaviour. JetBlue has done something similar in gamifying its interactions through awarding flying and social badges for users. Interactive game design interfaces that are content-rich and graphics-intensive can help businesses to communicate, collaborate narratives to their supply chain partners, facilitating a meaningful understanding of the roles of operational processes in different parts of the supply chains. Gamification can get your customers' attention, help sales and marketing, create more meaningful messages, encourage customer feedback, and motivate employees. If designed, managed, and implemented well, it can be the key to cutting through the competition and gaining loyal followers to your brand. Gamification should be used as part of an overall strategy to make our customers' journey simple, convenient, helpful, and enjoyable. Now it's up to us to deliver. How could you see gamification contributing to your company's customer experience strategy?